Hi, second graders. This week in reading, you are going to be creating your own brochure. A brochure is a small book or magazine that has pictures and information. Here is an example of what a brochure looks like. Okay, we are going to be making a brochure that teaches all about bees. It's important in your brochure that you have text features. So here's a list of text features that you need to be sure to include. You're going to have photographs or illustrations, captions, labels, bold words, headings, and a glossary. Okay, the first part of your brochure is creating a front cover. So here's my example. You can see my title is all about bees. Then I have a picture of a bee and the author, so who it's by Miss Jones. It's important that when you're creating yours that you don't copy mine, but you can use my example to help you if you're feeling stuck. So the first thing you're going to do today is you're going to be creating your front cover. You can use any paper that you have around your house to create this front cover.